Hello everyone, and today I have a special unboxing of something that's not really being talked about on YouTube just because it's not as convenient to get, and that is the Perfect Diary Sanrio MagicStay Collection. So this gift set is actually customizable, so you can pick and choose which shades of each product you want, but in general they only come with 4 products, so it's gonna be the My Melody DreamMatte Liquid Lipstick, and then the Little Twin Stars Mascara and Power Mascara, and you can choose between either a cushion foundation or the loose setting powder. Of course, they also have the special Sanrio products listed individually, so if you want to buy more shades that's not included in the gift set, you can go ahead and do that yourself. And this is also a little cute sticker set it comes with. And also because of the day I bought it, which is on May 5th, it came with like a special goodie bag. So it's just makeup remover wipes and samples of like a foundation and a primer. So this part of the video might be a little bit long just because I'm going to explain to you guys how I bought it myself as someone who's living in a country that is not available to. So this Sanrio gift set is only available on a specific shopping platform called Shopee, which only works in certain countries in like Southeast Asia. So if you live in a country like the United States where Shopee doesn't deliver to, I would recommend you use like a third-party service. So I used a service called forwardbuy.com, and it was just kind of like an impulse buy. But to my surprise, forward buy is actually really easy to use. So I first saw this product on Perfect Diary's Instagram page and I like instantly really wanted it because it was so cute. But then I found out that it's only available to the certain countries that Shopee operates in. So this is the first time I've actually ever used a proxy service. So all you gotta do is submit a form to like the agent and they'll buy whatever you want on Shopee. And because this is a customizable gift set, you have to specify in your application form which products you want in the gift set, or else you'll just receive what's in the original listing on the Shopee website. When it came to buying the gift set, it was really easy. All I did was just listed which items I wanted in the gift set, and then they quickly responded and bought the stuff, sent the email, and then you make your payment through PayPal, and then you just have to wait like 9 days because that's how long it takes for Shopee to deliver products from China to like the Singapore warehouse that Forward Buy operates. So then after around 9 days, Forward Buy emailed me and let me know that the goods have reached their warehouse and I could pay for shipping anytime. So they use FedEx, I believe, and then it's really fast. Like I received it in the United States from Singapore like within 3 days, but it's just that it's pretty pricey, so I'll let you guys know. I paid $36 for the for the shipment, for the international shipping price. And then, you know, it's not so bad when you compare it. See, like I'll like put a comparison of like the prices, like if I buy it directly on the Perfect Diary website versus like through Forward Buy, and it's like not so different, like just a $20 difference. But this is cute Sanrio packaging, so like does it really matter? After only waiting less than 2 weeks, I got to open the gift set myself, and then I found out that I did not get the products that I asked for. Long story short, I received the default products that came in the listing instead of like the specific like pom pom prune cushion and the DreamMatte liquid the DreamMatte liquid lipstick in 940. And I was pretty mad because I knew that in my application form to the agent, I told them which product I specifically wanted in the gift set. So then, to my surprise, customer service was really fast in responding. Like within an hour, I sent my really long angry email. They responded and said they would look into the case. And then just a couple hours later, someone from their customer service team reached out to me, and then they told me the problem, and then they said they would send over the 2 items I was supposed to get for free. And they would even pay for the shipping itself. So despite the initial mishap I had, I really liked how Forward Buy was really prompt in responding, and they were really accommodating, understanding. So if you really want to buy this Sanrio gift set, I recommend you guys use Forward Buy to buy it through Singapore Shopee. And just a disclaimer, I was not sponsored by anyone or any company at all. This is all something that happened, just a personal story about what happened when I was trying to purchase this makeup gift set from Singapore. Now that that long story is out of the way, let me show you guys what I thought about each of the products. I'm going to start this review with the Perfect Diary Long Lasting Radiant Skin Perfecting Cushion. So right here I have the shades B00 and P01. I believe they have 5 shades available, separated into warm and cool category. There's 3 warm shades and there's 2 cool tone shades. Here is a swatch comparison of the 2 foundations I own. So this up here is B00, which is the Gudetama shade, and below it is P01, which is the Pom Pom Print shade. And on my arm, the shades don't look that different from each other, but actually, when I'll show you guys later on my face, it's pretty obvious how different they are. So here's how a full face of shade B00 would look. And as you can see on camera and with natural lighting, it looks like a perfect fit for my skin tone. But actually in real life, it's pretty dark, like a shade 23 in Korean cushion. And as you can see, it just does not match my neck at all. And over time, it's gonna oxidize into this darker color. So I don't think B00 is the right shade for me. And it's pretty weird because when I first saw these cushions online, I thought that B00 would be the perfect shade for me just because it's the lightest shade they offer in the warm category. But after applying it and seeing it in person and comparing it to the other cushions I have, which are from Korean brands, and in the shade 21, I realized that this comes off as more as like a 23, which I definitely am not. So if you're shade 23 and if you like Gudetama, you should just get this. It's a perfect cushion for you. But if you're shade 21 in Korean, I definitely would not recommend you get this. Now that I showed you guys how B00 looks like on my skin, I'm finally going to open this one, which is P01, which is supposed to be a shade lighter. And it's also Pom Pom Print, of course. And this is the one I originally wanted. I've been waiting for like 2 weeks, guys. So let's see. I was waiting to film this video to just peel this off. Ooh. That was a struggle. I just love how it has this really cute pom-pom print, and as you can see, I'm a pretty big fan of this guy. One thing I have to say about the Perfect Diary cushions is the sponge that it comes with. I don't really like it, just like the way it applies, and it's in a round circle shape. Plus, like, once you start using it, and no matter how many times I washed it, I just could not get the foundation stains out. So that's why I went ahead and got these Espoir just these spare ones off Amazon, and just because I like the pointed edge. Just gonna lightly tap into it because, like, ooh, see, as you can see, there's already a lot of product at the first, like when you first open it, it picks up a lot of product as with any cushion. So just tap off the excess. Let's hope this fits me, not like the other one, you know? Ooh, it's still a lot of product. Oh my god, yeah. So here's just one side of my face done with the cushion. So, I think this definitely is a better match than the Gudetama shade. Here's how the foundation looks like on my whole face. So I only have one layer on right now, and it definitely is like a medium coverage, as I said, because I can still see some redness from my chin that's just filled with pimples. Oh my god. And then you can still see some redness around on my nose. So let's see if I can build up more on those problem areas. Ooh, I put too much. Oh. Overall, I think the Perfect Diary cushion is pretty good, and I don't have that many problems with it for now. Probably my only complaint is that I can't really tell the difference between the shades online, just because they say this is cool and this one is warm, but like as you can see from my application is that it's really just like a shade, one shade difference. Just for reference for people who are interested in trying out this product, P01 is more like a Korean 21 and B00 is more like a Korean 23. Just a quick check-in from the future. So actually, I've been filming this video for the past 4 hours, and I've been kind of getting sweaty in this hot enclosed room. So here's how my skin looks like after 4 hours. So nothing too crazy, like as expected on my T-zone. There's like some oiliness showing through, but like I think that could easily be touched up by the powder. And this is just like within 4 hours, and there's nothing crazy from someone like with my skin. So just letting you guys know. So on to the next face product I have, which I bought separately from the gift set, is probably what Perfect Diary is most known for internationally. And this is the Weightless Soft Velvet Blurring Loose Powder in 01 Cinnamon Edition. So this one's available internationally. It's still in stock. So if you want it, I would recommend. Just really cute. This is probably the one product that has the most reviews in English on YouTube. So here's how the inside... It's upside down. Sorry. My bad. Here's how the inside of the box looks like. It comes with this really nice soft brush, and sorry it's dirty, it's been used because I've been testing it out. And this is the loose powder. This loose setting powder comes in 5 different shades, from translucent, which is this one, to golden medium, and each shade will have like their own respective Sanrio mascots. So the main reason I got this one in particular is because the packaging has Cinnamon on it, and it was like the only character I didn't own a product of. Let me open it up for you guys to see. So here's the puff it comes with, and it also has like a separate compartment, so you're, oh sorry guys, like this, and this little layer. I don't know if you guys can see, like there's really like powder flying everywhere. So it's also a net. Here's the brush that comes with the powder too, and it's just really soft and has fine bristles. I don't know if you guys, do you guys see the powder flying off? So you can either choose to apply with a brush or with a puff, and I think I prefer with this product. This brush is pretty good, so let me just do it for you guys. So I'll just lightly, ooh. Do you guys see all that? That's a lot. Ooh. This powder is also said to blur like any pores or lines you have and control oil, which I definitely have a lot of in my T-zone and chin, and also just provide a lightweight finish. So let me just demo with you guys. I'll start with my nose. Oh, ooh, also there's also no overpowering smell either. So in case you have a problem with powder smelling too much, you know, just gonna lightly dab all around. Since I haven't really used this product that much, I can't really tell you guys how it performs when it comes to controlling oil or making foundation last longer. But just like as a setting powder in general, I think it, you know, it does its job as a setting powder. I don't think it's anything life-changing or mind-blowing in comparison to other powders. I don't really have much experience with powders to like really compare or like have a standard. I guess all I can say is that this powder does its job, and maybe the only one complaint is that it's just kind of messy if you're not careful. Like as you can see in my opening, like a lot of powder was flying everywhere. Ooh. But it's just small problem, it's okay. Now on to the lip products of this gift set. So with me, I have 2 of the DreamMatte liquid lipsticks, and they come in My Melody packaging, as you can see here. So here's how the product looks like itself. As you can see, it's really cute with its embossing, so the My Melody name, and just this really cute cap of the character. And this is the shade 909, which is a bright red, which I originally received. And the one I really wanted was actually this, which is 940, and it's a more like a dusty neutral pink. I just want to let you guys know that I'm not really much of a matte lips kind of person, so when I found out that the MagicStay collection was gonna include a matte liquid lipstick, I was kind of bummed, just because I prefer just more glossy or hydrating textures. But after trying out these products for a couple days, I learned the formula is pretty good for a matte liquid lipstick, so it's long lasting, it's really pigmented, and most importantly, it's not too dry on my lips and doesn't emphasize any fine lines, which can tend to happen with many matte liquid lipstick formulas. The next product I have came as a free add-on with the collection, and that is the Perfect Diary Readme Weightless Velvet Lip Stain. So as you can see, this is a really unique packaging and design for a lip stain. a card design, I like to describe it, and it's in the shade 002 Nice to Meet You. And just look at it, it's so... I can't describe it, guys. It's just something I never had before. So this is one product I was looking forward to trying just because when I saw it on Instagram, it looked really cool. And as of now, it is not available internationally on their website, and I don't think it will be for quite a long time just because Perfect Diary seems to be really slow bringing in new products internationally. So if you really want this, it is pretty much only available on Shopee Singapore. Well, that's the one I used. Just a small disclaimer though, this did come as a free add-on when I bought my Sanrio gift set at the time, which is like May 5th, but as of now, it's not available anymore. So you have to buy it separately for full price. So here's how the product looks like. It has its regular applicator. So one thing I like about this product is that I don't have to worry about applying too much product. Like for example, when it comes to the DreamMatte lipsticks, it's just like the right amount. In comparison to the DreamMatte liquid lipstick, this Readme Lipstain is a lot more lightweight in texture, also has a velvety finish, and the color payoff isn't as intense. Personally, I prefer this Readme Lipstain over the DreamMatte liquid lipstick just because the Readme is a lot more subtle and lightweight in formula, and it really surprised me when I first tried it how it felt like I really had nothing on. So I really like this product and I would totally recommend it to you guys, but just the downside is that it's pretty hard to find if you're living internationally, especially like the United States, and I don't think that Perfect Diary is gonna make this available anytime soon. The next products I'll be talking about are these, which is the Little Twin Stars Primer Mascara and the mascara. If you guys are wondering why there's star stickers on the cap, it is because the original design is just so boring and bare minimum. Like literally there's nothing about the design that screams Little Twin Stars. It's only just their name. Like they couldn't even put any star anywhere else. Just come on, Perfect Diary. Putting my complaints about the lazy design aside, I think these are actually really good mascara products. So this is the primer mascara, and as you can see, the wand comes in a screw type that's good for separating lashes, and it's also formulated with translucent fibers. So if you're not a fan of fiber mascaras, I wouldn't recommend getting this. And it's also said to contain vitamin E to nourish damaged eyelashes that I probably have. So this is actually the first time I've used a primer mascara just because I never saw a use for it. But for this brand, let me tell you guys, you really have to use these two together because the difference with and without the primer mascara is really obvious. This is me putting on the mascara right after applying the lash primer. And you can see how the primer has done a really great job at keeping the shape of the curl, which helps the mascara go on without any problems. Let me just tell you guys, I love how easy it is to apply mascara with a skinny wand like this because it can comb every single eyelash and give me a nice separated look. Here's the completed look with the primer mascara and mascara used together, and I really love the final result. And as you can see here in the side-by-side comparison, with the primer, the mascara goes on pretty well, but without it, it's just too heavy for my eyelashes and they start to droop. I don't think there's actually anything wrong with the formula of the mascara itself. It's just that the wand picks up so much product, so when I apply it to my eyelashes without any primer, it can easily ruin the curl if I'm not careful. Now, I'm not going to speak for every eyelash type out there, but if you have the typical short Asian brittle eyelashes like I do, I'd recommend you guys use the Perfect Diary mascara with a primer so you don't end up with a mess. So that's the end of my unboxing and review of the Perfect Diary Sanrio MagicStay Collection. So I would really recommend this if you love cute packaging and you love Sanrio, or you want to try Perfect Diary, the brand itself. Just personally, I think that if you really want to try Perfect Diary products, this is the better way just because it comes with a really cute special Sanrio packaging, and I don't know, it's so cute. It's just so cute to own if you're like a makeup lover and of course a Sanrio lover. But of course, if you don't have that collector's mentality when it comes to buying cute stuff, you can always go to the Perfect Diary International website itself and buy whatever you want. But like I said in the beginning, many of the products are not in stock anymore, and just the packaging, it's so boring now. There's no pom-pom print on it. What's the point, you know? Just kidding. And like the price difference buying it directly on their website and through a forwarding, through another service isn't that much. So if you really just want to try Perfect Diary products and you love cute packaging and you love Sanrio, I would just really recommend you buy it through a third-party service like I did. And that's all I have to say about that. So thank you for watching, everyone. Goodbye.